All right, going to go over installing the new Ballistic Engineering Trigger. Just picked this up today from the pro shop down at Gibbz. Thanks, Gibbz. Super awesome. So I've already taken my grip out, and the safety plunger came out with it. Uses a flathead screwdriver. I don't know why we use those still. That's kind of crazy. But hey, we still use a flathead screwdriver. I believe this is the BCM grip. Great grip, by the way. Super great. So I'm going to take my safety levers off real quick and pull this out. And that should pop out pretty easy. Yep, that just falls right out. Okay, next step, we're going to get the trigger disassembled. See if we can get that guy going here. Just pop him through. We're going to give it a little tap here. Using a pin punch, drive out my hammer spring there, not spring, but a hammer pin. Okay, that came out, and this is just a mil-spec trigger, so you're gonna have two pieces that come out. Same thing there. There's the trigger pin, and the whole thing just kind of falls out in your hands. Again, not a bad trigger for mil-spec, just stock, but who are we kidding? We don't like stock. Get that out of here. We're gonna put in the new GOAT Trigger. Ballistic Advantage 2-stage adjustable. Really excited to run this. Gonna shoot PCSL tomorrow. So I'm gonna get this in here so we can try it out. And then my trigger pins are just gonna go back in. There's one. There's two. And then all we gotta do is there's a couple set screws in here. Probably throw some Loctite on there, but we'll come back and do that maybe. Make sure everything is lined up. And there you have it. All set, ready to go. Trigger's functional. Pop in my safety and test everything out. Probably need to adjust that down first. Give me some wiggle room there. Rookie mistake. Hey, I'm not a professional armorer. All right. I'm gonna have to pop that pin out. There, that'll drop down low enough now. Then you put your safety in. See, you probably should have read the instructions, but too excited. Got to get this thing in. There we go. Everything fits like it should. I mean, would we expect anything less from Ballistic Engineering? I mean, come on. No way. Fits like a glove, fits like a dream. Zip that back down, and boom. Get my safety back on here, and we'll check functionality really quick. Struggling. There we go. And all right, safety's in. So I don't have the spring detent in there, so that's on fire. That should fall. Yep, perfect. That's on safe. And we're good. All right, that was pretty easy. 2-stage adjustable trigger from Ballistic Engineering. Can't wait to try it out.